Birch Moon. Something to do with January. Something to do with after New Year. Something to do with trying to make plans for the year that never turn out, but having to make them anyway. Bootstrapping back to existence after the duties of sonhood, husbandhood. The hands moving faster on every clock, especially the little one in the corner of the computer screen. Something names itself and gives meaning under the duvet of last year's expectation. 15 tugs of keeping your eye on the ball. Gas fires of ideas writing themselves.